My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. This video is going to very special for all of you if you are a holder of crypto coin. In this video I will show you the Enjin coin price prediction, the change goes in an Enjin coin, and what is the current status of Enjin coin in the crypto markets. I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. First of all, I have a surprise news for all of you. As you can see here on the graph, the last 10 minutes they take a high jump, they take a going up very high explosion in this time. As you can see here, that is the last 1 hour price prediction, that is the current status of the Enjin coin in the crypto market. The change occur in the Enjin coin is positive negative 0.25%. Soon they become positive because they start jumping upward at this time phase. If you look the high price of the Enjin coin, so the high price is the 3.09 USD dollar is the high price of Enjin coin, and the last 1 hour, friends. Now let's see the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 4 hour in the Enjin coin? As you can see here, the last 4 hour price predictions is also in positive because in the Enjin coin in the last 4 hours the change is positive 1.06%, and the high price of the Enjin coin is 3.11 USD dollar is the high price of Enjin coin. As you can see here, in the Enjin coin in the previous last 4 hour, and now at this time they are also in the jumping mode. Now let's see the last 1 day price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 1 day at this time? Absolutely a good change occur in the Enjin coin. As you can see here, the whole change is at positive 3.51% in the last 1 day, and the high price is 3.17 USD dollar is the high price of Enjin coin in the last 1 day. And now the current price of the Enjin coin is 3.09 USD dollar is the current price of Enjin coin. So a good change occur in the Enjin coin. As you can see here, 3.17 USD in the last 1 day, and now they are again ready for explosion. So friends, according to the price predictions of the last 1 day, last 1 hour, and last 4 hour, my suggestion, my decision for all of you, that please hold your Enjin coin with the last of this month, because the explosion or starts now, and the previous last 1 hour price change is also in positive. That is why my suggestion for you to please hold it. What's your opinion about hold chain? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.